Hey, my loves! This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to the channel, or welcome if this is your first time. Today, you can see my hands are going all crazy. Oop, we got a little sand. You guys are going to know why sand in the future, so put those notification bells on. There's a nugget, a little breadcrumb for you. But do you read this? Oh my goodness, today's video, my heart is bubbling over with excitement, love, and pure joy. Madam Glam reached out to me, y'all. Oh my goodness, you guys know if you are a regular, if you are a part of this nail family, I am absolutely obsessed with Madam Glam. So the fact that they reached out to me was just, I'm not gonna lie, I bawled my eyes out. I was so very happy. So excuse all of my little fingerprints. Your girl used some cuticle oil. But I just wanted to speak a little bit about them before we go into this unboxing. So you can find their gorgeous vegan products at www.madamglam.com. That was all of their socials. Everything is handled with the utmost care. They are not joking around with this. They have an attention to detail, and they're an environmentally conscious brand. I'm so sorry, that was a bit of a tongue twister. They are vegan. They are Leaping Bunny certified, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free, and HEMA. That is the big thing. I have struggled with big allergies, and Madam Glam actually was like my saving grace. It was a product that I could use without fear of reaction. So this video, I am so excited to be doing a review on their products and a PR unboxing, but more than anything else, I want to really make this a love letter and explain why I love Madam Glam so much, because they took me out of a really dark allergy place. So going into the goodies, oh my goodness, as soon as I saw that gorgeous pink postcard, my heart, I just lost it. My little mermaid heart swam out my chest. I just wanted to read a little bit of this. So it says, "Hello, glamorous. Welcome to our influencer community. It's our pleasure to have you join the nail team. We believe that when talent meets amazing products, magic happens." Oh, I just can't get over it. They say Madam Glam was founded with a rebellious mind and a lofty objective to create salon quality, carefully sourced nail and gel products. We decided to bring together a community of passionate nail specialists to build a one-stop shop for all things nails. So it also goes through what I expressed about them being HEMA-free and vegan and all of the good stuff. They also included that mini lamp, which I am going to review and show you guys how it works. But let's get into the goodies. So when they reached out to me, they let me select 3 polishes of my choice and also a base coat, top coat. So I was losing it because there was a few polishes that had been on my super wish list that I was not able to get. So I was like, this is a love letter. I'm going to be able to use polishes I've always wanted. So let's get into the goodies. So they sent me a no-wipe top coat and base coat, which are essential for all of your Madam Glam manicures. My favorite top coat, hands down, is this no-wipe. So when they reached out to me, they actually just said their regular top coat, and I had asked if I could get the no-wipe because I was so in love, and they said not a problem. So their team is so spectacular to work with. They actually gave me a gift, y'all, for you, for our viewers. So you can use Raven's Nail Bar 30 for 30% off of all of your Madam Glam purchases at www.madamglam.com. So all of that information, including a link for my code, will be in the description box below. But I'm quickly just unboxing this mini lamp, which is so darling. And I actually received a mini lamp in their advent calendar series that my partner purchased for me. So I already know this is a gorgeous lamp and it is perfect for travel. So I am just going to quickly unravel this and get into showing you the goodies. Oh my gosh, I had to include this Raven, nails are not tools. Yeah, bust out your tools. Do not use your nails because it don't need the stress. So this is a 6-watt mini lamp. This is everything you need. It has a 45-second and 60-second on-off function. Oh my goodness, my family. I am actually, like, these are essential to have even if you have a regular lamp. Not only for travel, but for when you're doing like the après method, or when you're just trying to adhere your tips with base coat. Like what I'm trying to, I love it because I'm actually able to kind of stick it in my drawer and cure my nails. So I use it for multi-purposes. But let's get into the colors I selected. So Silver Magic, I have had my eye on this color for quite some time. Now, I think this is an underrated color, and this needs to be a necessary purchase. This needs to be in your Madam Glam, I was looking for the word. It needs to be in your Madam Glam collection. Do you see all of those hollow rainbow glitter heaven, like, ha? And from Glamour, Fame, Power, we have Casino. Y'all, I first saw this color from Priya, gorgeous charm sister Priya K Nails. She made me fall in love with this. This is a siren red. For all my gothic babes, I know your heart is swooning. This red is mandatory. And last up, oh my goodness, for all you Wizard of Oz fans, we got a Wicked Witch, y'all. This is giving all the Sea Witch vibes with a gorgeous green. This green is so yummy. And the 2 polishes I actually selected are cream. So it's going to be really fun to review their reflective sparkle and their cream polishes. So by no means is Silver Magic under a reflective category, but for me, the moment that light hits it, you can see it just dances. It's holy disco ball energy. So actually on the left-hand corner, I have included swatches from Madam Glam's website directly. I want to compare them and show you just how on point their swatches are. Oh my goodness, the moment I began swatching this, I couldn't get over the coverage, first of all, and how stunning those little rainbow glitter pieces, like, I don't know, it's just all of the heaven. It literally looks like Tinkerbell put little dust everywhere. I have no words. I am just, yeah, again, it's very rare for Raven to be lost for words, and this color, it definitely does that to me. So this is 1 coat, and then I'm gonna go in with 2, and 2 is all you need. As you see, I clicked the little button, and this was everything. It cured her to absolute perfection. And so that's 1 coat. So we're gonna go in with 2, and you're gonna see 2 is all you need. And with Madam Glam, because their formulas are so pigmented, so luscious, it's really important to make sure that you're doing thin coats. But generally with 2 coats, baby, you good to go. But do you see how stunning this Silver Magic is? I'm wondering, any of the nail family, would you guys get this color? I truly believe with nail goodies, no 2 polishes are made the same. The way the light refracts off of these gorgeous rainbow glitters, I am madly in love. So this is by far one of my favorite Madam Glam polishes, and Madam Glam, thank you so much for not only reaching out but sending me this gorgeous PR package. This was stacked. It was busting. It tried to bust open. But thank you for putting that mini lamp in there. And now I get to show you how glorious this top coat is. Whoo, she be juicy. So for all of my character art, you guys have been seeing I've been doing a SpongeBob series. I also did a Mother's Day Madam Glam collaboration with Priya K's Nails. And if you see, when I use that gorgeous top coat, the no wipe, it like fills those lumps, bumps, the mountains and valleys, and leaves you with the most shiny, smooth surface. So again, this is my favorite top coat. And I was actually really touched because when they reached out to me, they had said that they were going to send a regular top coat and base coat. And I had asked, I'm like, could you please give me a no wipe? I just did a large haul and I got a regular. And they were like, no problem. We'll also give you a code for your followers as a gift. So please feel free to use Raven's Nail Bar 30 for all of your Madam Glam needs. We are all glam here. So I wanted to show, using my Red Iguana practice fingers, all of their polishes on a variety of skin tones. Now I have been blown away. Every single polish I have ever gotten from Madam Glam comes to life, queens, on all skin tones. Representation matters. And the fact that this company goes out of their way to make sure that their products look good on everyone, that is where we give a round of applause. My passion with Madam Glam really came by honestly. I have adored the company for years, but upon receiving their Advent Calendar series from my partner, the love affair truly began. And that was when I was just healing from a horrible allergy and I was really afraid to try different products. So I just have to thank Madam Glam so much for not only being environmentally conscious, but making sure they stand for the right things. The moment I saw Casino on Priya's gorgeous model hands, I was like, this is for me. This is made for mermaids. And this is one coat coverage, baby. Now, I always do 2 thin coats, but I was blown away by this cream formula. I am just over the moon with Madam Glam. And now the fact that they reached out to me and I'm going to be able to work with them, like it's truly a dream coming true. And a lot of that wouldn't be possible without my beautiful nail family. So though this is a love letter to Madam Glam and thanking them for this beautiful opportunity, it's also thanking you, my family. I don't know where I'd be without you. So Raven is jumping through the screen and giving you the biggest hug. I also wanted to take this moment just to quickly show Priya's nails. Oh my goodness, this is where the inspiration happened. And when Madam Glam reached out to me, I was like, I know one of the colors has to be Casino, because the moment I saw Priya do the swatching for Glam, Power, Fame, I was losing it. Sorry, Glamour, Power, Fame. This is one for the books. So again, the reason why I selected these colors were colors that I have always wanted to work with. So I'm actually going to be showing you 3 separate looks with each of these polishes. So please make sure that you have your notification bells on so you don't miss any of that amazing content. There is something so magical about this cranberry, this crimson, this red is out of control. This is like red Louis Vuitton bottoms with a gothic twist. I love this. Whew, Priya, you did a great job of modeling, because honey, they looked just as good as when I swatched it in real life. I was like, she wasn't playing. And I also wanted to say the swatch from Madam Glam's website on the left-hand corner, though it looked a little darker, it actually looks like that in certain lights. So this color is very dynamic, depending on natural light. When you come inside, like different lighting kind of makes it a bit deeper or a bit lighter. So this is a spectacular red and a must for your collection. Last up on the swatch party is Wicked Witch, which this gives Dorothy straight PTSD when she sees it, because she's thinking of the Wicked Witch and she just wants Glenda. Oh my goodness, Madam Glam, you were not playing. The swatch from your website is identical to this cream. I could not get over the coverage, how stunning she was. Oh, it's okay, Dorothy. It's okay. I know you're feeling anxiety because you see the Wicked Witch, but she's beautiful. This is giving me like sea witch vibes. Oh my goodness, I love this so very much. So I just, from the bottom of my heart, Madam Glam, thank you so much for reaching out. I am so excited about this collaboration. I cannot wait. I'm going to be doing special. There's going to be 3 videos dedicated to each polish, and then there's going to be way more other videos, but there's definitely going to be those 3 dedicated to Silver Magic, Casino, and Wicked Witch. Now I know this video was a little longer, but I really appreciate you sticking around and just sharing this beautiful moment with me. I can't tell you how excited I am about this opportunity and just to be able to swatch these colors and express some of my experiences with Madam Glam. I can't tell you how much of a dream come true this is. So thank you so much for sticking around, not only for the unboxing, but also for the swatching. Now, I could have easily just did one swatch for each of these colors, but I wanted to I just wanted to show you how gorgeous this is on a variety of skin tones. So thank you so much for sticking around for the swatch party to see the gorgeous, gorgeous colors. And I cannot wait. Please make sure, if you don't already have those notification bells on, that you do so you don't miss the upcoming video on every single one of these designs that I'm about to do. Ooh, I'm so very excited. Thank you for watching this, and I cannot wait to see you in the next. And again, just a gentle reminder, because they gifted me this beautiful code for y'all. If you want to use Raven's Nail Bar 30 for 30% off of your Madam Glam needs. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Mwah.